Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and it's really quite windy. Before you see a 16 by 20 inch or approximately 40 and a half by 51 centimetre canvas, to which I've added some black. And get over the edge. What's wrong with you? There you go. And I want to do a centre swipe on here. So what I'm going to do, I've got blue, white, gold, red and black, and I want the black in the centre because I'm going to tilt it. But I'd like the red and gold up here and the white and blue down here, so when I tilt them I'll get the two. I think that'll look alright with the black in the centre, so these won't be going down as far. As I normally have them. Okay, so red and gold. And you know what I might do is have red, gold and white here and blue, gold and white here. That might be pretty too. See how that goes. And the gold. Make that pattern a bit different. And the white. Okay, one cloth coming up. I have two cloths, but I only need one. Whoop, bit of black across the centre might help. Right, let's see how this goes. Take it to you first. And we're off. Ooh, too much black by the look. Still. And on the edge there. Right, and now the other cloth. So do this blue. Now, I've got cells galore, but let me have a tilt because I've got too much paint. Take some off there, turn around here. That is good. Bring it back a bit more so that it don't look so stretchy. Okay. Straighten it up for you. Let's take some of this paint off the edges here. Oops, bit of black. There, and along here. And along here. There's some more black. Okay, so I think I've got all my edges. I'm just going to wipe my hands and torch this. Might need a bit more black just about here. Okay, now I'm happy. I'll wipe my hands off. That's very pretty. It was there. You know, I think I should just maybe try to get that red a bit more down. Just a tad. See if it'll go. Yes, it will. Slowly. I prefer the bring it back. Okay. And wiping off the hands yet again. And I'm going to torch this. I think it's really pretty. And then I might have a bit of a waggle. Windy. So I've had blue. Just bring the blues down. Oh, goodness gracious. The white and gold look good there. Now I shall turn it around to do the same. Please don't bark. With the red. Okay, yes, very happy with that, and just give it a quick wipe around. I think I got most of it off. Those cells look like they're going to continue to grow, which will be very good. Now I wipe my hands. bring you down to have a look. The paints and the pouring medium recipes you'll find under show more below this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and that is Winston. And this is Mrs. Barker. And they have citronella on them. Doesn't work. This is a painting as I was looking at it, mostly. It's really pretty. I like this one. It's quite large. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell. You'll be notified then when I put up new videos. Please give this one the thumbs up. I do appreciate that. And oh, that's so pretty. I like that bit. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.